I'm so glad you're here! Welcome to Hot Wheels Unlimited! You know what we're all about here. Awesome cars, crazy challenges, and building the coolest tracks around, right? Right! So first up, you're gonna wanna head over to Hot Wheels City, where there's a trunkload of challenges to test your skills. Win a challenge, get a wheel. Win enough of them, and bam, you've got a shiny new ride. All right, there's so many to collect, I just can't keep count. So buckle up and start your engines. This is gonna be one awesome ride. Welcome back to Hot Wheels Unlimited. And man, do we have some exciting challenges for you today. Challenge accepted. Would you look at this mess? All right, show me what you've got. Red Wheel 1.